Alright guys, I'm just going to just do a short video demonstration on the smoke detector setup. I went and picked it up about a half an hour ago from Ken, and now I'm home. So I took 5 minutes and hooked everything up, and this is just a little update so you guys can see what's going on here. This gray box is a variable DC power supply. I'm just using the 12 volts right here, and this smoke detector is unique because it can take between 10 and 30 volts DC. Here are the power inputs over here, and so the black and the red wires, those are just going to 12 volts DC from that power supply. And when the alarm is activated, this actually has an auxiliary relay right here. It's a Form C relay. So the top terminal is the common, the middle is a normally closed relay, and the one I'm actually using is the normally open relay. So when the alarm goes off, that normally open relay is going to close, and whatever power supply we have hooked up to it is going to activate. So if we just follow the orange wire here, I actually have that hooked up to 12 volts as well. So we have 12 volts coming into the normally open contact, and then we have the return going to ground. So on the return path, I have that connected to this load resistor right here, and then this terminal of the resistor is going to ground. So it's just a normal circuit, just like if you're hooking up a battery. No power will be supplied to this resistor unless that normally open relay is closed. So once the alarm sounds, that relay is going to close, and we're going to put 12 volts across that resistor. And the way I can verify that is with this digital multimeter here, and I'm just simply monitoring the voltage across that resistor. So I'll just show you. We are powered on, as you can see, 0 volts. And there's a little test button on this detector. If I press it for 5 seconds, it should activate, and we'll watch the meter. And as you can see, we have a steady 12 volts across that resistor as the alarm is activated, and then of course the relay goes back to its normal state. I'm assuming that when we're not pressing the test button, if we're actually using smoke, that relay is going to stay closed until it's manually reset. And I have some smoke in a can, so I'll be able to test that as well. But the big point is that we have a 12 volt signal that we can feed directly into one of the PLC inputs. So instead of going to a resistor, it's going to go to the PLC input, which will then trigger an output to the solenoid valve controlling the hydrogen gas flow and CO2.